A forklift is a powerful and effective load-shifting tool. It can be extremely dangerous if used incorrectly. Forklifts have stability characteristics that are not well understood by many operators, and this can lead to the risk of tip-over. If you understand and follow the principles of forklift stability, many accidents can be avoided. You can't afford not to be stability aware. Understanding how a forklift becomes unstable is essential to safe operation. The center of gravity is the point in an object at which all of an object's weight is concentrated and is the balance point. An object is said to be stable if its center of gravity lies within the outline of its points of support. The center of gravity of an unloaded forklift lies at a point just behind and below the operator's seat. Both the forklift and any load it carries have an individual center of gravity. When a forklift lifts a load, the two centers of gravity form a combined center of gravity that is always placed somewhere between the two. You need to understand how a forklift's center of gravity can become unsafe, resulting in a tip-over. Although most forklifts stand on 4 wheels, the hinged rear axle makes the forklift behave as if it were standing on only 3 wheels. This creates a stability triangle that is used to determine a safe center of gravity when operating a forklift.
A forklift has 3 points of stability: the 2 front tires and the pivot point on the rear axle. If you draw a line between the 2 front tires to the pivot point on the rear axle and back again, you get that forklift stability triangle. As you raise and lower loads, make quick turns, and tilt the mast, the center of gravity shifts inside the stability triangle. The center of gravity must remain inside this triangle, or the forklift will turn over. The best way to visualize a forklift stability is to create a stability pyramid. Start with the 3 points I've just mentioned. The top point of the pyramid is located just above the operator's head, lined up with the top of the mast. Draw a line from each of the 3 original points to this new 4th point to create a stability pyramid. But that 4th point is not stationary. The stability pyramid grows taller, shrinks, and skews as the operator raises and lowers the load and adjusts the mast. When the forks are kept low, the stability pyramid is short and squat, making it relatively stable. Raising the forks elongates the stability pyramid, making it tall, skinny, and much easier to tip over. The center of gravity rises as the load rises, and now needs to shift only a short distance to get outside the narrowing top of the pyramid, which would cause a tip over, especially if the machine is moving. All forklifts have speed, weight, and load limitations. It is your job to operate each forklift within the boundaries of its design and limitations. By understanding this forklift stability principle will help ensure safe forklift operation.